today. Hey, Mimi and Papa. Let me open it. If I can. Just gotta get this open. Thank you.
Did you see your name on it, on the front?
Yeah.
What is it?
Presents.
Why don't you count how many there are?
Chocolate kisses.
Mmm.
Thank you, Mimi and Papa.
You gonna open the presents? What are those? Oh, it's a skirt, so you can be fancy.
Thank you, Mimi and Papa, for this stuff. I think it's one of these things I got before. It is! Look!
What is it?
Look.
Oh yeah,
It's
we
those
can
things I wanted.
put them in the water and they grow.
Uh-huh.
We can do that today if you want.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because I told Papa I wanted those.
Oh,
Thank you,
cool.
Papa. Now I know this is closed. I know it.
What is it?
Paw Patrol with 3 pups on it.
Which 3 pups are on it?
Everest, Sky, and Marshall.
Awesome!
Thank you, Mimi and Papa. And it's short sleeves. Whoa, my favorite. Thanks, Mimi and Papa.
Cool. Look, you
Mom.
could probably wear it with the skirt when it gets warmer if you need to be
Mom, look.
fancy.
Look.
Let me see. It says hugs and kisses. Oh, yeah. Chocolates.
Last present. Thank you, Mimi and Papa, for these presents. Now I know it's just clothes.
You say, I know it's just clothes. What's that?
I'm right. Oh, let's see what it says. What does it say?
It says love.
Wow. Thanks. That's so sweet of you guys. Thank you, Mimi and Papa, for the presents. Bye.